Hello students and welcome to Standard 10th Mathematics 1 digital class. In the last video we have learned what is a sample space and what do you mean by number of sample points in a sample space. Also we have completed exercise 5.2 from chapter 5 probability. Now today we will learn what is an event. Event, the outcomes satisfying particular condition are called favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Event is always a subset of the sample space. Events are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, E, etc. Let's understand the concept of event with an example. If two coins are tossed and A is the event of getting at least one tail, then the favorable outcomes are. Now here, when two coins are tossed, sample space S will be curly bracket HH, HT, TH, TT. So n of S, that is number of sample points in sample space S, is equal to 4. Now here we have to select the outcomes with at least one tail. So at least means it can be one and more than one. So how many outcomes are having one or more than one tails? So we can select HT, TH and TT. Okay, so therefore event A is equal to curly bracket TT, TH, HT. The number of elements in the event A is denoted by n of A. So here n of A is equal to 3. Let's see one more example. Question is, two coins are tossed simultaneously. Write the sample space S and the number of sample points n of S. Also write the following events in the set form and write the number of sample points in each event. Okay. So the conditions given here are, first one, condition for event A to get at least one tail. Second one, condition for event B to get only one head. Third, condition for event C to get at most one tail. And fourth one, condition for event D to get no head. Solution. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, then sample space S is equal to curly bracket HH, HT, TH, TT. So, number of sample points is n of S equals to 4. Now the first condition is for event A. So here the condition is at least one head. So as we have seen before, at least one head means we have to select outcomes with one head or more than one head. So the outcomes we can see HH is having more than one head, HT and TH are having one head. Okay, so therefore A is equal to curly bracket HH, HT and TH. And number of elements in set A is equal to 3. Second one, condition for event B, only one head. So this time we have to select the outcomes with only one head. So there are two outcomes with one head only, that is HT and TH, and therefore B is equal to curly bracket HT comma TH. So n of B is equal to 2. Third one, condition for event C, at most one tail. Here we have to select the outcomes with one tail or less than one tail, that is 0 tail. So, and therefore we can select the outcomes HH with 0 tail and one tail each in HT and TH, and therefore C is equal to HH, HT and TH. N of C is equal to 3. Fourth one, condition for event D, no head. Now this time we have to select outcomes with no head. So if you see sample space S, there is only one outcome with no head, and which is TT, and therefore D is equal to curly bracket TT, and N of D is equal to 1. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's solve one more question. A bag contains 50 cards. Each card bears only one number from 1 to 50. One card is drawn at random from the bag. Write the sample space. Also, write the events A, B and find the number of sample points in them. So here the first one is condition for event A. The number on the card is divisible by 6. And condition 2 on event B, the number on the card is a complete square. Solution: S equals to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 50. Okay, and N of S is equal to 50. Now the condition for event A is number is divisible by 6. Therefore, A is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. And how many elements are there in set A? 8 elements, right? Therefore, N of A is equal to 8. Now the second condition. Condition for event B. The number on the card is a complete square. Now how many numbers from 1 to 50 are complete square? The numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. Okay, and therefore B is equal to curly bracket 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49, and N of B is equal to 7. Now we'll solve practice set 5.3. Here the first question is, write sample space S and number of sample point N of S for each of the following experiments. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write N of A, N of B and N of C. Now the first experiment is one die is rolled. Event A, even number on the upper face. Event B, odd number on the upper face. Event C, prime number on the upper face. So let's first write down the sample space. Solution: one die is rolled. Therefore, the sample space S is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So, n of S is equal to 6 as there are 6 sample points in the sample space S. Now, event A is even number on the upper face. Now, from sample space S, how many numbers are even numbers? The numbers are 2, 4 and 6. So, therefore, A is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6 and n of A is equal to 3. Now, event B is odd number on the upper face. Now, again, in the sample space, how many numbers are odd numbers? The numbers are 1, 3 and 5. And therefore, B is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 5. And n of B is equal to 3. Event C, prime number on the upper face. Now we have to check how many numbers from sample space S are prime numbers. So the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5 and therefore C equals to curly bracket 2, 3, 5 and n of C is equal to 3. I hope children you have understood the sums. Today we have solved the solved examples from textbook and one question from exercise 5.3. You will write down all the solved examples from textbook in your notebook. Thank you.